Greetings and welcome back. This tutorial will walk you through the powerful searching features of the portal. We'll show you how to use the various searching options and how each will help you find and organize your data. Let's start with the column heading search. First, select your watch category from the left navigation menu. Let's go to Internet Domain Names. The menu item remains highlighted as a reminder of the dataset you are working with. This is your active category. The column heading search uses the data field of a particular column based on your active category. The search elements are either a free text field or a drop-down search. The default search logic for all free text search boxes on the platform is starts with. Type just your term in the search box and hit Enter to see all results that begin with your term. Our example, searching for CHECK, limits the results to terms starting with check. The number of hits that meet the criterion are displayed here in the page counter. Remove search criteria to return to the full data set. To find matches that contain a specific term, enter star CHECK star. Again, the number of records is displayed in the page counter. If you are looking for a standalone term anywhere within a column, type in your term with a space at the end and hit the Enter key. For example, type in home and then space and hit Enter. The standalone term home is part of the data set returned. To search for a suffix, we enter star check.com, which will find all domains ending in CHECK.com. As mentioned, some column headings have drop-downs instead of free text search boxes. Open the drop-down and make your selection. The table automatically refreshes. For datasets that have multiple options in the drop-down, you can reopen the drop-down to select multiple items. Selecting Active from the Mail column shows if an MX record was detected. But remember, you have already selected starcheck.com, so this is only searching the terms that satisfy both search criteria. If you didn't want to limit your search by hit, you would need to clear that data from the column search box. Remove the selections to clear your search parameters. Now that we've mastered quick searching for specific fields in the columns, let's look at the main search box. The main search box is very powerful, but not focused like the column search we just discussed, nor as flexible as the advanced search, which we will discuss in a bit. The main search box performs a full text search of all data fields within the active category. As a reminder, the active category consists of all records that make up the display set, even if not currently visible on the screen. This search will not limit results to a specific data field. It will return all matches within any field, always within the active category. The search logic is the same. Enter just your term to return results that start with your term. Here's an example. Remember, the result may not be obvious depending on the columns you have active in your view, as the system returns results from any data field in the record. Open the Detail view. Use the keyboard shortcut Control-F on a PC or Command-F on a Mac to find the term within the record. Toggle between records by using the Next and Previous buttons. Click Go Back to search results. Remember, you can also use the Contains, Suffix, and StandAlone commands in the main search box as described before. Let's move on to the advanced search. You can use the advanced search to perform targeted lookups. Click the three dots on the right of the main search box to open the advanced search menu. The first drop-down allows you to choose the desired field. The second drop-down provides search options. Enter your search term in the third field. The active search parameters are visible here. As always, the page counter shows you the number of results returned. Reopen the advanced search to add or modify parameters. Remember, additional queries are treated as AND, so line 1 and line 2 must both be satisfied. To quickly eliminate a search parameter, hit the trash icon. Or click the X to remove a parameter on the fly from the main search box. If you execute the same search often, you can save time by adding it as a favorite, the icons you see in the top left. These are saved searches. Step 1. Make your selection from the advanced search. For example, last 14 days. Execute the search. Step 2. Hit the star. The system will automatically insert the parameters you have chosen. You can rename it here or use the default name. And a new icon is created. Each icon references the watch type category. The globe is Internet, trademark, the cart for e-commerce and social. Hover over the icon to see what it contains. The favorite icons are always visible here at the top of your screen and accessible regardless of the active category in your view. So, if you are working with domains and then want to jump to a favorite search of e-commerce hits, just click the icon and you are taken directly to your saved e-commerce dataset. No need to navigate via the menu. Now let's dive into the cross search. All of the prior searches have worked on one data type or active category: internet data, domains, trademarks, etc. The cross search allows you to search across all of your data types looking for specific information. This is a free text search across all data in your account. You cannot limit by a particular field. Because this has the potential to become unwieldy, your search term must be at least 4 characters. Input your term. The results will display by report date. We trust this tutorial has been helpful in showing you how to search for data and create favorites. Be sure to browse the knowledge base on our website for additional training videos and FAQs. www.checkmarknetwork.com/knowledge-base. Please do contact us with any questions or to schedule a personal training session. Have a great day and enjoy the new system.